अपने जी स्वामी जी doing.
First, I must survive, then I should be educated. And when I am educated about the world, then I must be educated about myself also. And then life is fantastic. So that's my inspiration.
Swamiji wants to give them chances. If we will give them food and education with him or with her, great personality, great persons are inside them.
ମୋର ନାମ ଚଞ୍ଚଳା ନାୟକ। ମୁଁ ଏଠି ଆସିକୁ 5 ମାସ ହେଲାଣି। ମୁଁ ଏଠି ରହିବାକୁ ବହୁତ ଭଲ ପାଏ, ପାଠ ପଢ଼ିବାକୁ ଭଲ ପାଏ, ବଡ଼ ମଣିଷ ହେବାକୁ ମଧ୍ୟ ଚାହେଁ। ଚାଷବାସ କରେ, ଗାଡ଼ି ମଟରରେ କାମ କରେ। ମୋ ନାଁ ହେଉଛି ସଞ୍ଜୁ ନାୟକ। ଏଇଠି ଆସି 7 ମାସ ହେଲା। ମୁଁ ସ୍ୱାମୀଜୀଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଥିବାକୁ ବହୁତ ଭଲ ପାଏ। ଏଠି ପାଠ ପଢ଼ିବାକୁ ବହୁତ ଖୁସି ଅଛି।
When we started here, that time we brought a cultural teacher, that music teacher, and he teaches them. He teaches them nicely how to dance, how to sing.
I must look at myself as to what it would have been had I not been educated. What would have been if I would have been born to a family where nobody could afford anything? What would have been if my parents did not educate me?
Because of the acute poverty, which they can't give the education, they can't give the dress, they can't give the food, what is normally is hitting the children here, that all the three, including the shelter that they get it there in the orphanage, that's what he feels, that the orphanage is doing good to the children. The circumstances like the nearby school where his son used to go, that the teachers won't come regularly to the school. Therefore, the children, they used to get disturbed in their studies.
ଘରରେ ଖାଲିରେ ରହୁଥିଲି। ଏଠି ରହିବାକୁ ବହୁତ ଭଲ। ଏଠି ପାଠ ପଢ଼ୁଛି, ଆଉ କ'ଣ କ'ଣ ଶିଖୁଛି ହେଲେ ଶିକ୍ଷା ମଧ୍ୟ ନେଉଛି।
Children who have left home, they are better off than the parents. Parents are so poor. Not even there is no roof. What roof? It's just twigs and branches. So when the children come there, the parents feel relieved. And parents are unconsciously jealous of the children because children are getting 3 meals a day and they are growing up. They don't have it.
He himself cannot feed a morsel of food properly twice a day. In that scenario, he couldn't help out the children in the education, where they are properly fed there. They are getting all the educational materials. Apart from that, they get the dresses as well as other toiletry things. So, which is for which he is really happy, because which he could not do it. It's like somebody is really taking care of their children.
In a family, so many children, they can't give them food and education.
He doesn't miss his child even though he is there far away. He doesn't miss his child because the child is growing well there in orphanage there.
ଆମ ଘରେ ଖାଲିରେ ଥିଲି, ପାଠ ପଢ଼ି ନଥିଲି, ଏଆଡ଼େ ସେଆଡ଼େ ବୁଲି ଯାଉଥିଲି। ଏବେ ଆଶ୍ରମକୁ ଆସିକି ମୁଁ ପାଠ ପଢ଼ିଲି।
I love teaching.
Good morning, children.
Teaching learning process. I very much, because I was a teacher also. A teaching experience also. I love to teach and love to learn also. That is my hobby.
We have the best of the ideas. What you need is resources. The marriage should take place between the resource and the ideas.
When I came here, there is nothing here. No building, no children, nothing.
See, at this moment, the basic necessity, the electricity is not there, and there is not enough water supply, and the children are staying in 20 by 20, that's just 400 square feet area. 50 children are there, which is really very crampy. And when somebody falls sick, they can't make the stay or leave, to sleep separately. The girls are staying in a different room and the boys are given a different room, and their personal belongings, each child is been given one box to keep their personal belongings.
Look at children born without an idea of caste, creed, sex, race, religion, and no child is born branded. Why the child must die branded? Can we give them a growth like that? A lovely education, ultimate self-knowledge, help them to understand who they are, let them live their life.
टेलर बगीचा ସାଙ୍ଗସାଥି ଘର ସ୍ୱାମୀଜୀ ଗୁରୁମାକୁ ଦେଖି ସବୁ ମୋତେ ଭଲ ଲାଗୁଛି ନାଚ ଗୀତ ଖେଳିବା ଗୀତ ଗାଇବା ପ୍ରାର୍ଥନା କରିବା ସଫାସୁତୁରା ରହିବା
Last time when he has visited, he has seen that the child is better than what he used to have the food, better dress and better education. Not only there is a tremendous change in their receptivity in the studies. Apart from that, when they come home, the children help their mother at home in doing the things, and by chance, by his father says to do something and cultivate. When he goes for cultivating, and that time he asks something else to do, the children they obey and they really give a helping hand into them.
I have seen them children only once, but they still love and affection. Why? Because they know somebody cares that much, and children have no problem at all. Children, whenever they are taken care, because when child feels insecure, there is nobody to care, food is not coming, sickness is coming, no child will enjoy that. So even a child is cared for in a criminal's den also, he will feel comfortable, because he doesn't know that person is a criminal. Neither he knows this person is saintly. Child is cared for, so he feels comfortable. So later on when the child grows up, as the child is growing up, that is the time the right type of thinking should be given to them. When you know about yourself who you are comfortable with yourself in every role, therefore comfortable with everybody. But suppose there is a religion or a tradition which gives you a particular role and you are that and nothing else, you will have fight with everybody, because exclusive. Any exclusive identity will create tension. All inclusive identity, no problem. Who I am, who you are, both one and the same. But what I have, what you have is different, makes it a beautiful world. We can only initiate a move. Where it goes, God only knows. Nobody is here to see the end of his dream.